I just got a message from my buddy, Dr. J. Different Dr. J, not the basketball Dr. J, but Dr. J, the mathematician. And he lives in Santa Cruz and wants to buy a house up here, so we're going to go take a look at it for him. Holy shit. I just came out here to do some filming, and there's a bird in the back of my truck. Looks like he's maybe injured or something. There he is. Now, I mean, clearly he's injured because otherwise I wouldn't be touching him, right? So, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I mean, if I were a bird, I'd want to be hanging out right up in there or something, but...
Yeah, but they have ground swallows and things.
I shouldn't take him to the woods.
I don't think you should. I think you should leave him here, and we'll get a little teeny cage and some bird seed and some water and see if he can heal, and then we release him right here.
We just go to the pet store?
Yeah, I can just go to the pet store.
I'll go.
You've got a thing you're doing this morning.
I can do it afterward.
Well, he can't stay in a box until then. We should put some holes in the box so he can breathe.
That box is not airtight. So that was interesting. I've got a sparrow or chickadee or some such in this little crybaby wah box. Headed over to Starbucks for coffee. See Dr. J's house, or the house he's going to be bidding on. And then we're going to go to Petco and get this little guy or girl a cage so we can maybe nurse it back to health? I don't know. Here we are. This is the cabin that Dr. J is going to be bidding on. I'm going to give him a call and see what he has to say.
Yeah, I'm saying it's a funnier way, honey. It's called a joke.
There you go.
Natalie started arguing against it again. She goes, no, we don't have to get separated. And she was so sad. In order to do that, we have to put up more than 40% down, and I don't really want to do that. So now I'm trying to scramble and see if we can just lock in.
It's a really lovely piece of property out here that they're going to bid on. It's going to be a challenging bid for anybody because it's a lovely piece of property, and someone is probably going to pay a lot of money and a lot of money in cash for it. I really want to check on this little bird because he's quiet. He was making noise, but I also don't want to let him loose inside the truck. Okay, I swung back to the house to get batteries for the camera before going to Petco, and I couldn't help but notice that the bird inside of this little box has been very, very quiet. Let's find out if the bird is going to fly away or hop. Yep. Well, it's not going to be flying away. So I know what I'm going to do.